Welcome back here to the channel, everybody. And in this video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, but not in general terms, not in a news sense, not in, hey, we've got this breaking thing happening with Bitcoin, but a really big macro question that is super, super foundational, but super important and also yet forgotten about. And it's the reason why I believe, and many others, by the way, but the reason why I believe Bitcoin is unlike any other asset out there on the planet right now. And I have a feeling I know why it oftentimes doesn't get discussed like this. And we're going to talk about that too. So, as you guys can tell, outside a little bit, going for a little walk. Amazing out here, as always. But we're going to start with, what is Bitcoin? And why is it so valuable? Well, the one thing about Bitcoin that is so unique is its scarcity. We've seen what printing money does after we got off the gold standard in the 70s. And we've seen so many currencies collapse or on the verge of collapsing. Now, the thing with Bitcoin is, I believe it protects wealth unlike any other asset before in human history. And why do I think that? Why do I think it protects wealth when it's so freaking volatile, right? How could you say that? That's outlandish, right? It protects wealth. If you talk to some people out there and ask them why they're not invested in Bitcoin yet or crypto in general, usually they can't understand or stomach the volatility. There's no guarantee that Bitcoin will go back to 69,000. Right? That was a one-off. Wasn't it just at 13,000 not too long ago? Yes, the answer is yes. But if you actually look at the long-term Bitcoin chart, what do you see? I'll tell you what you see. You see higher lows and what? Higher highs. Look at the all chart on Bitcoin. Don't look at the yearly chart. Don't look at the weekly chart. Don't look at the 2-year chart. Look at the all-time chart. And you will see that Bitcoin goes up over time. And you want to accumulate in those down times. And it's pretty easy to see when those down times are. And this is what makes Bitcoin, in my opinion, unlike any other asset. It's a true asset that I believe protects wealth, unlike anything else. Because eventually, it will be the true hedge against inflation. This is just my opinion, by the way. Okay, just my opinion. I'm not speaking gospel here, but I'm super passionate about it. I'm putting my money where my mouth is, obviously, but it's just my opinion. Eventually, it will be the true hedge against inflation. Eventually, it will be digital gold, in my opinion, because the scarcity, what we talked about at the beginning of the video. And that's how I treat Bitcoin. That's how I invest in Bitcoin. I invest in Bitcoin because I believe that it's the only way to really protect my wealth and be a true hedge against inflation. If I'm keeping money in the bank, it's not making me money. And we know a lot of the stock market is manipulated, although I still love stocks and I hold a lot of money in stocks. We talk about the importance of diversifying, and this is why I diversify into crypto and why I hold a lot of my net worth right now in Bitcoin alone. Eventually, we're going to need a hard reset. I feel as if we're closer than many people believe we are to that hard reset actually happening. And I think now with Bitcoin ETFs and more people opening their eyes to the possibility of Bitcoin, that this transformation is going to take off in the next 2 to 3 years as we hit this next bull run. So that's the one thing that I think separates Bitcoin and why I think Bitcoin is, for me, the most profound way that I have found to truly secure my wealth and actually add to my wealth over time as I continue to dollar cost average. So hopefully this video found you well. Hopefully you're enjoying the scenery as well in the background. And yeah, it's a beautiful day. I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check out all my links down below if you're interested in XT Algo, my trading indicator. It's my software as a service company. I've got my NordVPN link, great partnership with them if you're looking to protect yourself while you're surfing the web or trading crypto. And of course, you can check out my Margex link if you want to trade with me. And I've got a bunch of other trading platforms down there as well. Bybit, I've got spot platforms, leverage platforms. You could trade with me by clicking one of those, checking out the deals. They all have special offers. I appreciate you guys so much, more than you know. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.